here. So I'm gonna make him happy with his favorite food, which is nothing but modak. So let's begin.
Let's start with the first step, which is making the outer cover. For this I'm going to require 2 cups of water and ghee. Let the water begin to bubble. It's been 3 minutes now and the water is on a roll boil. Next what goes in 2 cups of flour. At this point we need to lower the flame and make sure this nicely mixes together. Mix it nicely and evenly to make sure that there are no dry lumps in the mixture. This is mixed and done. I'm gonna cover this for 3 to 5 minutes. While we have 3 to 5 minutes of waiting time, let's make the filling for modak. For this I'm adding some ghee to the pan, and to these I'm going to add some scraped coconut. The next that goes in some grated jaggery, and at this stage all we need to do is to make sure the jaggery melts and nicely mixes with the coconut. While this mixture is kind of warmed up, I am adding in some freshly ground green cardamom, which gives a nice aroma. Now that the mixture has dried up, I'll switch off the flame and this has to cool down to room temperature. This dough has been steaming here for a couple of minutes. I am transferring this into a plate and let this cool down till it comes to a working temperature. I am adding some ghee and little bit of water to soften the dough. While the dough is ready, I am going to cover this with a damp cloth. While doing so, pinch a little dough and working on this so that we can start making the modaks. See this process very carefully. With your 2 thumbs, you need to press and create the dough ball. Keep pressing inside and rotate. In this, I am going to add a spoonful of the filling which has cooled down completely. Slowly pinch the top part of the modak and get it closer. Press the modak. And here is our first modak ready. To give design, I am using fork here. You can get mold which is easily available in the market and online as well. Now the design is looking beautiful, isn't it? Making chocolate modak now. I am adding some ghee and water as per requirement to moisten the dough. I have mixed some cocoa powder with water which I am adding to the dough and keep massaging. In similar way, I will shape the modaks. Now I am making another colorful modak. Guys, here I am not using any artificial color. I have extracted juice from beetroot which I am adding to the dough and some ghee. In similar process, I am giving shape to the modaks. We have shaped the modaks, let's steam them. Traditionally, turmeric leaves being used as a liner because leaves adds their particular taste to the modak. Well, if you don't have turmeric leaves, you can use banana leaves or butter pepper. I am using here idli steamer. If you don't have dedicated steamer, you can use pan to boil water and put a strainer, and inside that you can steam modaks with the lid on. Placing this carefully and with the lid on, this has to steam under pressure for 10 to 15 minutes. Modaks are steaming here for 15 minutes. I am going to take them out carefully and placing on a plate. Finally, let's drop in some splashes of ghee. Our modaks are ready now.
So here we made two colorful modaks along with the traditional one. I hope you like the video and enjoy the festival with your friends and family. And like all we say, Ganpati Bappa Moria!